Hey guys, Agent Cody here with Seven Lakes Realty, and as you can see, I have another home to show you today. Now the videos that you've seen at the start of this video was actually of on my drive into this property. On the same road, I passed a bunch of corn crops and bean fields with some beautiful barns in the background. So that just goes to show you the kind of setting that this home is sitting in, real rural living out here. The home you see on your screen offers 1,979 square feet of livable space. It's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's sitting on 7 acres of land, and the roof is only 2 years old. This house hosts a large kitchen, perfect for get-togethers that you're going to see in this video. It's a very nice kitchen. If you need a place to relax at the end of the day with your own privacy, the master bathroom in this property is one of the nicest qualities that I've ever seen. You'll also see that in this video. Another great feature that this home has to offer is its location. You have rural living out here, and it's beautiful. You've seen that at the start of the video. But to go along with that, you have 4 towns that are all within a relatively close distance away. Martin being one of them, where UT Martin is located. If you have kids or grandkids, nieces or nephews or whatever in college, they may go to this college. This will make this home ideal for you. Dresden is pretty close by. So is Greenfield and Union City as well. Union City, I know a lot of people like to go look at the Discovery Park of America there in Union City. I've never been there, but I know that is a tourist destination there. If you like outdoors activities, especially those on the water, the Obion River is also close by. So without further ado, let's get into this video tour. And to let you know, this home is listed at $300,000. If you believe this home would be a great fit for you or someone you know, don't hesitate to call me, text me, whatever. Get in touch with me. Let's get you over there. Let's get you to see it, and let's get you pre-qualified and get an offer on this house and make it your next home. As you approach the front of the house, you're going to notice a long concrete front porch with wood ceilings. This porch would be ideal for setting up rocking chairs or a porch swing as you watch the kids play out in the front yard. Through the front doors, you'll enter into the dining area and the kitchen. Could you imagine hosting your friends or family in this kitchen? Plenty of room in here. There could be a lot of fun nights in this kitchen. There's plenty of cabinet space, as you can see, updated fixtures, and the appliances that you're seeing in this video is intended to go with the property. Behind the kitchen, you'll notice the living area with the centerpiece being a wood-burning fire stove. For cozy movie nights with your friends or family, this would be an ideal place for you to relax after a long day. Down the hallway, the first door on the left is your guest bathroom. You'll notice updated fixtures in the showers. And the wall that you're seeing, I want to show you, I'm going to knock on it a little bit. That is a real wood wall. Back down the hallway, the next door on the left is our first guest bedroom. This bedroom has a window outlooking the front yard. Updated ceiling fan, and 2 large closets that you're going to see right now. Next, at the end of the hall, we have the second guest bedroom. This bedroom has an outdoor theme, and as you can see, it has a deer antler light fixture and hand-painted camo walls. It also has 2 large closets like the first guest bedroom. Next, we have the master bedroom for you to check out with an updated ceiling fan, nice floors in here, nice neutral color already on the wall. And it has a large walk-in closet, plenty of room for both his and her stuff, with racks and plenty of curtain rod hangers to hang up your clothes on. As you can see, I'm able to walk all the way into this closet and turn around to show you that there's plenty of room. Next is our master bedroom, and could you imagine once you see this tub after a long day of work, just relaxing in that nook, your own privacy in that tub? That would be great. Some of the things in this house that were not mentioned that I do want to touch on very quickly is this home offers a 2-car garage that is attached. It has a shop beside it, and it has a large shop behind the house. I should be able to attach pictures to show those to you in this video here. You should be able to see my number on the screen now, so don't hesitate. If you or someone you know has interest in this house, give me a call, shoot me a text, Let's get you pre-approved, pre-qualified over there to see this property, and let's make it yours. This is really a great property, and it's one that I really don't think you would want to let pass by. So give me a call or text, and let's make this property yours.